Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use Zara Size Guide. So first of all, launch Zara app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, once you are here on the category of menu, tap on any product you wish to purchase. So I'm going to tap on Best Sellers for now. From here, tap on any product you wish to. Now once you come here, you can see various details given here about the product. Now in order to open the size guide, first of all tap on Add. Now you'll see a pop-up like this. Tap on the option of Try Now. Now start by entering your name. Now, choose your gender. Now, enter your year of birth. Then tap on Continue. Now, simply enter in your height. You can enter it in centimeters or in inches. Now, enter your weight as well. You can enter in kgs or lbs as well. Then tap on Continue. Now, choose this category according to your preferences if you want your clothing fitted, normal or loose. Then tap on Continue. Now, enter your measurements accordingly. You can enter it in centimeters or inches. Then tap on View Recommendation. So, you can see that a size has been generated for me. So you could simply follow these easy steps in order to use Zara's size guide. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.